Good morning, everybody. Well, just look at it outside. Now it is around 60 degrees and the sun is shining. Yes, I have officially become your weather girl in our area. No, I'm kidding. But no, seriously, it is a beautiful day today and we got a project to do. We have a family member that has a flat tire and she has a nail in it. So we are going to run over and change her or plug her tire, see what's going on with her little tire, and get her back on the road. So come along with me, guys. Let's see what's wrong with Mom's tire. Before we leave, I just want to show you just how beautiful it is today. It is beautiful. Now this is fall, and I've got a jacket on because it's early, but this will be shitted really quick. The goats are all laying in the sun. They're enjoying this sunshine. All right, Mose, you ready to go? Huh? Let's go. Come on. Well, here is the victim's tire here. I'm gonna find the nail. Is that the nail?
Yeah.
That's the nail. Look at that. As pretty as you please. This is a class for me because I don't know how to do it. Little bitty screw, but it's pointed. All right, it is done.